Okay, I'm showing my fixed track. I'm so dumb. This is a Illinois Central golf with my golf cars and a load of tractors. Ah, one of my tractors is almost falling off. And I took the light out of the caboose because the light was so hot it was melting the lid of the caboose. I'm gonna have to put an LED in there next time. But what I was gonna show you, here's where the track clip was, and there's where it is now. It was supposed to be on the inner loop. Oh, so dumb. At any rate, now everything seems to be hunky-dunky until I turn this switch. When I turn this switch, then the two tracks are electrified and tied together. So that's turning out just fine. Oh, there's the Christmas train. That's the Christmas train. Those are city lights. Okay. Those are city lights. Okay, so here's the full thing. There's the Christmas train. Here's the diesel. My absolute first conversion with the help of a really nice fellow in Indiana. His name escapes me, but it'll come to me in a second. Very nice man, helped me out tremendously. Learning, you know, how to repair these things. The original digital reverse fried in about a week. I was so disappointed. I paid a lot of money for that engine too, because I'm an Illinois guy and all that. But at any rate, everything's fine. The Illinois train, a Christmas train seems to. Oh, I was on slow. I didn't realize it. There we go. I was on slow. I got this box in the way. I need to move it. Now we're cooking. There's the smoke and everything. Now you can hear it too. That's a really nice engine. That's a heavy 300 all metal with linkage you see and railings. I don't even see it from here, but it is. Anyway, this guy's running great. One thing I thought I might try to do is switch it, see what happens. Bring this power up to about the same. Boom. Okay, now let's see if it makes the switch, what happens. If it dies or what. Better get over here to be on the kill. It's running. It's going around. It's coming through. I don't know where it's going to go. I might be in a wreck. No, it's okay. It's coming through. Oh, it's going to come through. I got to turn this back. Yeah, it's on the inner loop, so I got to switch that back to straight. Now it's on the inner loop all by its lonesome. And the inner loop says, that's funny, it's only pulling, I don't understand. It says it's only, oh, it's not. No, it's wired up. It's only pulling 1 amp, but it's pulling the amp off of the left side. I don't know how that's working, unless it's internal. Oh my goodness. Well, that's another mystery. I'll solve that another day. I'm on the inner loop. That's the main thing. And if I switch these, next time it goes by, I will. So I'm going to go. All right, those are switched. This will be interesting. So now I'm going to go to the inner to the main. That should work. The inner loop to the main loop. Now he's on the main loop. Now I'm going to keep him on the main loop. And he has power. Alright, well, I don't think it's perfect, but it's perfect enough. Uh-oh, wait, I got to bring that back. There we go. Ooh, just made it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Almost derailed. Oh, I lost my caboose! Oh! Lost my caboose. Oh, my God. Alright, we'll get it. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. I hear yelling upstairs. I think I'm supposed to be doing something. Okay, done for now. Gets a little noisy when you run these trains. Alright, fun. Alright, later. I'll post this. You guys can check it out.